So this is Claremont, lot 158. It's a very nice house. It's one of my favorites that we're doing in this subdivision so far. I really enjoy this house because of the open floor plan. We started on it a couple months ago, so it's coming along fairly well. As you can see, we've got the sheetrock up now. Won't be long, we'll be putting some paint and flooring down. We're going to get more into detail on the design of our homes, what goes into them, and how much effort's actually put into the end result. And for that, I'll turn it over to Bethany.
So this is 158 Claremont. I'm really excited about this one also. This house is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths. Up front, you'll find 2 guest rooms. Love the tall ceilings. And a full bath. You'll notice all of the exposed beams, which you'll find in all of our Stricklin and Porter homes. This could be a very large kitchen. So it'll wrap around with a sink in the front and a big large island out there in the middle. Fridge to that side. This house has a designated dining room area, which is right here with the living room and the gas fireplace. Down the hall, you'll find another guest bedroom with a full bath. This is the office for the master, which is a pretty large room. And into the master ensuite. You'll have a vanity all the way down, a freestanding tub with a nice shower. There's a little secret in here. But right here is going to be a hidden room. We'll do some kind of bookshelf or something right here where you won't know that that opens. And of course, my hero, Sam, will be the one building the secret door. Claremont is a beautiful place to live. You're still in luck. This house is still on the market. So if you're interested, go to StricklinPorter.com. We can either build or you can purchase your dream home today.